Good girl. Good girl, sweetie. Yeah, she was on it. I was just about ready to say we might want to jog because I could tell that bird was running. Oh, there goes one. Good girl, Maggie. Here. No bird. Come on. Here. 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 Good girl.
That one is going towards you, so you just take that one.
Good girl, Maggie. I thought you were going to shoot.
I thought it was a little far, but
Yeah, it was kind of right on the edge there, huh?
yeah, I thought I'll.
What kind of choke you have on there?
I think I have it improved, so it's fairly tight pattern.
So should I just, anything past like this, just stay straight this way and not more
Well,
there,
you can
obviously?
you can shoot something that's at my 1 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah, you can shoot over that way too.
All right, go get him. Come on, get a bird. At a double time. Hey, 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 here we go. It's, there we go. Here. Here. Now, did one walk into that grass?
There's one still dead in front.
In the sorghum?
Yeah, it's taking off right here in front of me.
Heading away from you?
Yeah.
Good girl, Maggie. So, Cam, you let me know. I mean, if you want me to hold her back so that you can try to sneak up on him, I just wasn't sure what to do there.
Oh no, I mean I'm okay with her. Normally we wouldn't see him, but she has to be the one to track him. I think. I don't know.
And Sean, do you still see that other bird?
No, not anymore. It's kind of, oh, I do actually, yeah. It's kind of coming over left here. It's right on the edge.
Feel free to call Maggie and take her over there. She goes by either Maggie or Mags.
Maggie.
Up. Maggie, here, here. There you go. Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. Good girl. Get a bird. Frankie fetched it. Come here. Good girl. That's a good girl. You found a bird, huh? You found a bird. Oh, that's a good Maggie.
Hey, thank you.
Come on back, baby.
Good girl, Mags. Good girl, Frankie.
Hey, Frank.
Maggie, heel. You got a bird.
Just as long as Maggie doesn't get it.
You got a bird. You got a bird.
Hey, Frankie, drop. Frankie,
Here, let go.
Frankie.
I got it.
Well, that was my key goal for the day, was to get her flushing a rooster and getting the shot. Yep.
And were you right behind her when she did it?
I was, yeah, kind of right to your left, a little bit behind you. So I'm assuming this is wide angle. I'm assuming you're in the frame also. So.
Well,
Good girl. Good girl, Maggie. Here.
trail that we got in Montana. We're walking back in a field next to the road, and they were just in the brush on the side.
Sure.
And they just jumped out about where Maggie is. And I was carrying my gun like this, you know, just tired. And I had to fumble it to get it forward. And I winged one.
Up.
Frankie
Mags.
back.
Maggie. Maggie.
Frankie back. There you go. You gotta wait for your hunter. Frank.
Yeah. Maggie smells it too.
See what we get. Where'd they go there, Sean?
She's just down the trail over here.
Come on back, Frank. Oh, come on.
No bird.
That's okay.
Here.
Frankie, leave
Max,
it.
here.
Frankie, leave
Here.
it.
Here.
Frankie.
Maggie was on that thing.
I know. Well, that's the thing is, as soon as she tucked in there, I was like, we're standing in the wrong.
Yep.
We're in the wrong spot.
Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. Found a bird. Dang it.
Yeah, we were just standing in the wrong spot.
Yeah.
That's your bird all day long. Running hunt 16 years.
16 years.
So you were year 3 or 4 maybe?
Yeah, I think I came out with Kurt, who found these guys. And
John, just let me know if these breaks out and starts running down. Okay. That's the only thing we don't know. Frankie, go easy, honey. Go easy. Come on back.
Here, Max. Here. Here. Here.
Where's that dog?
Like I said, feel free to shoot anything going straight or to the left, not to the right. So a couple more steps here, Sean.
Heel.
Perfect.
Nice. Hey, nope, 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 nope.
Be ready here. There's more birds in there.
Here. It's not your bird.
Frankie, get that bird. Get the bird. Oh, she's got another one right there. Yes, be ready. There's another bird right here, Sean.
oh, I must have shot.
That's okay. That's right. Good. Good, good, good. Did you get that one, Sean?
No, not that one.
Frankie, back. Come on. Go. Get your bird. Frankie, dead bird. Frankie, dead bird. Get in there. I'd be ready again.
I'm like, it's going right.
Yeah, that was good control. That one would have been a disaster to get.
I thought you were going to swing at it, Cam.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. You might catch this bird. It's tangled up in there. Ah, dang it. Unlucky. Unlucky. All right, girls, dead bird. I'm going to walk her down in there. So don't shoot about that high.
Here.
You guys are good right there. Get him, Frank. Get him, Frank. Get him, Frank. Come on, dog. Break. Get him, Frank. Okay, fine. Fine, 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 fine. Sean.
Get him, Max. Get a bird. Get a bird.
Frank, back.
Get it.
That was nice.
Nope. Maggie, you fail. You want this in your vest?
Did you shoot him coming up at you?
Oh, there we are.
Oh, hard as they're rising.
Taking a good route too away.
That's some wing from that bird.
It is? Oh, wow.
Took it clean off.
There we
Was it dead when you...
Nice shot.
Thank Thank you.
Yeah, that was great. Wrapped it up.
Good work. Come on out. There you go. Yep, John.
Maggie, nope, no bird. Nice shooting there, Tex.
There we go. Good work.
That was gorgeous.
Come on, Frank. That's a big bird for you, little dog. Big bird for you. Frank, come on.
Now see,
If she'll give it to you there, Sean. Just take it from her. Hey, Frank. Take it. Drop the bird.
Mags,
now
Maggie,
Maggie's-
no, no.
Hey, Eric, you want this bird? I got it. Hey.
Hey, Maggie, no. Is that Frankie or Maggie that found that?
They kind of
Yeah,
squeezed him.
yeah. Good.
Yeah. Frankie, come here.
That's gonna look so cool.
You got that one too?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm like, it was just.
Girls.
I'm looking at it, just framed perfectly, and
Yeah,
I
good
was like,
opening.
and you just folded it, dude. I was like, oh, sweet.
Great. Frankie, come on.
There you go, Sean.
John, learning how to do it.
did I?
Did that bird step out?
Yeah.
It came out right as Maggie was coming in here. Yeah.
You can always tell when they take off from in the sorghum versus when they take off from the dirt.
Maggie, see what she's doing? There you go.
Frankie, back.
Hey, here,
Frank.
here.
Frank.
You can fetch a bird,
Frank.
but Maggie, no,
Frankie.
no.
Hey.
Here,
Hey. Drop it.
here. Heel.
Enough on carrying a bird.
Okay.
Maybe they'll fly your way sometime soon, Dad.
Man, Sean's becoming the bird murderer.
They heard rumors at the start of the day. Hey, this young guy can't shoot.
Yeah.
You'll have a better chance flying.
He's like a
towards him.
pool hustler. Make him think you suck at first.
Yeah, I'm really no good. I haven't.
Yeah,
shot
I
any
just,
birds
I
in
haven't done this
3
in
years
ages.
Since I think when you.
Frank, come
Here.
here. Get that. Get back. Frank, nuh-uh. Get back. Nuh-uh. Get back. Let's get a couple more steps here, Sean. Nuh-uh. Back. 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 All right. Get him, Frank.
Nope. Here.
Excellent.
Here.
Frankie, back.
Execution, fellows.
Yeah, that was maybe a war crime.
I thought you were gonna kick it. I thought you were gonna kick it.
Frankie, you're mine.
Going out of the gene pool.
Max, here.
That one was deserved
No.
natural selection.
Yeah, that one got selected. I would say, or whatever the opposite of selected is.
You have been terminated.
Oh man.
How many birds you guys at?
I don't know.
We had 2 in the car.
We have 4 right now. That's 5th.
This is
5 on us.
5 on. So I got 2 on me right now. You got
I
2
got
on.
2. I got 2, and that's yeah. So we got 7 total.
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
I've
Okay.
got 4. You've done 3, I think.
Go ahead and go to sleep, big boy.
He's like,
Good night.
oh, I got a big stretch of grass out here. Yeah, we're off the river now. There's a big area through here, man.
Oh, this looks like it could hold a pheasant.
Go down.
What do you got there, Megs?
Perked up a little bit. After
Yeah,
we
she
got
seems
out.
a little hot here.
A little hot. Holy cow. She was lethargic there for a second.
Go get it. Go get it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
I'll give you a hand, Maggie. It's not right here.
I'm learning to trust her nose, so I'm going to let her do her thing for a second.
Oh yeah, I think there were so many times that Kurt's dog, like, what are you doing? You know, and what do you? And then she'd want to hunt somewhere that we didn't, and she'd find the birds.
So it took her right over to the blackberries. So let's let her do her thing. I don't want to walk too fast because it'll push her. Get him, Eggs. Get him, Maggie. Get him, Maggie. That's a good girl. Oh boy. Get him, Eggs. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, good girl, Mags. You winged him.
Shot his foot off.
Yeah. Did you see where he landed? Maggie, come here.
Go back to where we parked.
Yeah, we'll be.
My first shot.
First shot flipped out.
Mags, here.
I tried to put it up on my shoulder and I missed. And
Hey, come here. Get it, Mags. Hopefully she...
Probably was yours then, because that one was not. That one did not move until you went.
Here.
Yeah, it looked like it landed and started running. Or trying to.
Wait, hold on. He's right here in the blackberry, about 20 feet up. Wait.
Oh, yeah.
Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Go again.
Mags.
Straight ahead.
Mags. Bird. It's right in here. Here. Should be able to see it. I see it.
Hey.
Max, here. Here. It might be dead. Get it. Get it. Fetch it. Fetch it. Fetch it. Fetch it. Get a bird. Good girl. Good girl, Mags. Oh, get it. Get it, Mags. Ah. Get it, Mags. Get it. Good girl. Fetch. Oh, good girl, Maggie. Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. Hey, here.
Good girl.
Here. Drop. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Good girl.
Oh, Eric, that is so cool.
There.
That
one has 2 feet on it.
That has 2 feet, Sean.
So this may be a different bird,
Yeah, I think so. My bird, the fit was.
Well, like, how does the foot look? I mean,
but this one has like no tail feathers on it.
Yeah, and the feet aren't. This one had a dangly fit. This one.
This may be
Yeah,
another injured one.
Yeah, I couldn't fly.
But here, whoever wants to.
Here.
Here you go.
Wow.
what the heck? Got it, girl. Good job.
Good girl, Max.
Awesome. So yeah, winged, couldn't run. I mean, couldn't fly. So when you hit it, Sean. It was like, I'm going down.
Yeah.
Well, that's an ugly way of getting a bird, but we got it done. That was a team effort.
Yes.
That was funny.
I want to know where that last one is.
Oh, there you are. Up.
Oh, no, I haven't.
Good girl, Mags. Thanks for not shooting me. Good girl, Maggie.
I was gonna shoot, but it came towards you.
I see exactly where it landed.
Let's go.
He's down in the just to the left. He's in the blackberry to the left of that structure.
All right.
Good girl, Mags. You are a little rock star, sweetie.
That's all right, Sean. Let's go around.
I'm wondering if, hey, Max, here. If one is above and one is below,
Yeah.
and I'll kind of take Maggie into the blackberries and hope. Hey, come here, here. Heel. Heel. But, and it actually, Cam, I mean, it's possible it'd flush out to the left down to the road.
Okay.
I just don't know how far in it went. But it landed right down here and walked into the blackberries.
Okay.
Hey, come here. Here. Heel. Heel.
Sean's right over there.
He's somewhere right in here. This is where we just walked through. Yeah, Sean, you might want to get a little closer. I don't know.
Yeah, you can shoot up.
Come here, Maggie. Come here. 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 Let's find a bird. Okay. Get the bird. Get it. Get it. Yay! Good girl, Mags. Here. Fetch. 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 Hey. Get the bird. Get the bird. Maggie. Come on. Fetch. Hey. She okay, we gotta work on this. No, no. Good girl. Good girl.
Awesome. Man.
Who shot that?
I did.
Hey, nope, down.
I had a great angle on that.
Hey, Maggie, come here. Come here.
Oh.
Good girl. Good girl. She stuck that bird. Oh, here, I'll put it in your... You want me to put it in your vest?
It did? It looks like it's dead.
Looks pretty damn
It's
good to
dead.
me.
It's dead.
Nice work.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Good job, Maggie.
She did awesome.
She was like, zing.
That was like an instant find too.
Well, the hunt to get that up there.
Yeah.
Those earned.
I mean, she busted it up there, got it down here too.
Yeah.
And
All right,
well done.
Very well done. My goodness.
There we go.
She's a good dog.
So you guys are at 9 birds now?
Yep.